This is Donnie Floyd, and I will be conducting the double-slit experiment. What is the double-slit experiment? In this case, we're talking about electrons. I'd like to give you a little background to explain the theory and its process before I go it alone. In this cute animated montage, we see the particles are projected through the single narrow slit to create a similar slit pattern on the back wall. This is to show how matter navigates space. Add a second slit, and once again, the matter creates a mirrored pattern of the two slits on the wall. Alternately, when we send water through the single slit, the waves permeate the slit to create a similar pattern on the back wall, the crest of the wave being in line with the slit. Add the second slit, and then we begin to notice the waves going through each slit start to interfere with each other, expanding and canceling each other out at points of intersection. These expanded bands are known as the interference pattern. Now, when electrons, which is matter on a microscopic level, are projected through the two slits, the strangest thing happens. What appears on the far wall is an interference pattern. The electrons behave not as particles, but as waves. Physicists, trying to discern how the electrons created the wave pattern, set up a device capable of detecting and recording each individual electron in its path. Even stranger still, as the device was recording, the projected electrons once again replicated the two-slit pattern that was originally expected. They went back to being particles. By the way, these screenshots are from a really cool video on YouTube. You should definitely check it out. Dr. Quantum. Now, this mind-boggling experiment is not without its challenges. Biggest question of all is, who exactly is this observer? What type of observation relegates the electron to act as a wave or a particle? It's one of the biggest breakthroughs of quantum mechanics. And without further ado, it's my turn. Now, because I am not a scientist and I am not working out of a big fancy lab, I do not happen to have a particle examination device lying around my house. I don't. My goal here is to recreate the interference pattern through the two slits using light and a few items I do have lying around the house. Let's go. Start by cutting two slits in your foil, even size like so. Try to keep them even and close together. Fold your foil at the bottom so you can stand it up on its own. Poke a hole in your styrofoam cup front to back to accommodate your laser. Try not to mutilate it like I did. This laser, while super shiny and kind of cute, comes with a big fat danger label on it. It should not be taken lightly. Just thought I'd share. Carry on. So affix your laser pen like so and put the rubber band on to keep the on button on, and just line it up. Use a book or whatever you have to do to make sure that they're directly in line. Now comes the moment of truth. Will we have interference? And indeed we do. We have achieved the infamous interference pattern. Yes.